Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and is having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is going to be from Ipsy, and this is the first month I'm going to be doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy. And Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It is a glam bag where you receive 4 to 5 products, sample deluxe size. It is $10 a month. You get to personalize it with a beauty quiz. With all these companies, I really would love to know if they follow it. And let's get right into the video, just so that it's not too long. And this first one here is going to be, I basically just did my younger self, just to see what they would send. So this is the really nice bag with lemons, and it's nice zipper with an Ipsy tag. This is a really nice bag. I do like this one. So far, probably the best. And let's get the card. And the card is now in season Fresh Spring Beauty. And build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want. I guess you can do their add-ons, which is nice. And then the inside of the card lets you know the products that are in your bag. And I just, like I said, this is the first month that I'm doing this, but this is my younger self video. And this is from Marc Anthony, and this is 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. And this is a hydrating curl cream. Okay, eliminates frizz, tangles, and defines curls with extra hold and added shine. And this has biotin in it, and this is 1.69 fluid ounces, so that's a good size, and it feels pretty full. I do have naturally curly hair, so I'd be interested to see how well. I don't generally leave it curly, but you know, occasionally I might. So this would be interesting to try. Okay, I'm happy with that. The next product, I think a lot of people got in their box, and this is from Tarte, and this is their Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. And, you know, typical primer. But I'd be interested to try the Tarte one because I have never tried the Tarte one. So it's a, you know, it's a small sample, but once again, feels relatively full. So I'm happy to get that also. And the next item in the bag is from the Balm Cosmetics. And this is the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain in Salute. Okay, no hope of a focus. So we will open this up. That's pretty. And that goes on. It's not very dark, like for opaqueness, but it's there. So this is the color. I would assume the little sticker is probably close to the color, and that is definitely a shade I will wear. So that's very, very pretty. I like that. And then in here we have a product. And we received the full size in another bag. And this is, I think it was the Ipsy Glam Plus. This is from Laura Sanchez, her Moods palette. And still really cute packaging. And this is in, the eyeshadow is in the color Martini Olive Green. So that's really cute. So, you know, just pushes like a regular palette. So there is that. And when she has the sample size, the single shades the same way. Let me just see if we can open that. This is what the big palette looked like. And there is no mirror. Obviously, there never would be on single shades. So that's a really pretty green. Let's swatch that. I didn't swatch the big palette, but and this is what it looks like on your finger. And here it is right here on my hand. So that's nice. I mean, it's not super, super dark. But, and there's the color in the pan. Oh, that's actually very nice. I do like that. Now I got green eyeshadow all over my finger, but that's okay. And then the last product is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it's Rodeo Drive Highlighter. And so there it is right there. Let's just get it out of the plastic here. Oh, I can never open these. I might have to cut it. I just do not have the strength in my hands that I used to. So these bubble wrap mailers and stuff, sometimes they're just, the glue is very good, which serves a purpose, but I can never get into them. Okay. And this actually looks like a fairly full-size product. I would not say that that is a sample size. So we will open this up and show you the product. And I will swatch it. Oh, that feels so nice. And there it is on my finger. And we'll put that on the side here so you can see the highlight. Oh, that is... Ofra Cosmetics has awesome highlighters. That is very pretty. I mean, that just keeps on going. I mean, that little bit on my hand. But you can definitely see the sheen and the shimmer. That's actually very pretty. So I'm happy with that. So these are the 5 products that I got in my younger self bag. The Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive, Marc Anthony, the Hydrating Curl Cream, Tarte's Base Tape for Primer, the Balm lip product, and the single shadow from Laura Sanchez. So that's very nice. Now I'm going to have highlighter and eyeshadow all over me because I want to try to get this off my hands here. Okay, so I'm not unhappy with that. That is actually very nice. So we'll leave that right here. And then this bag is my regular bag that I would normally get. Okay, so we'll put that up there. So let me see if I can get my card out of the bag. This way I can see what's on here. So I'll put this bag over here. And this was actually in the bag. So, you know, same card, everything. And this one does not have any of the products on it. This one is completely blank, where the other one had a list of the products. That's definitely strange. Okay, well, the first product that was loose, that was not in the bag, is from a brand named Firma. And this is firmabeauty.com. This is a brush, which I love brushes. And this is their 103 brush. It doesn't tell you what it is, but it's an angled brush. So you could use this, you know, for bronzer, to put your highlight on. I mean, you could use it really for anything that you want. So that's a nice product. So we'll just put these here. You can probably hear my dog barking in the background. And then we got some face masks. I'm not going to take these out. They're in a bag. And these are from Dr. Huang Beauty Lab. And this is the vegan approved red fruits brightening mask. That's nice. And then the second one is from the same Dr. Huang Beauty Lab. And this is vegan approved broccoli plumping mask. So we have a plumping and a brightening mask. So that's nice. I'm not going to complain about that. And then we received the double duty base tape, just like primer, just like we did in the others. We received the balm product. And it looks like the same exact shade in Salute, so I will not open this one. Might be able to share that with somebody else. And also in this one, I received another Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. So I'm not going to unpackage this one because I can include this in a giveaway as a highlighter. So that is the second bag. So I think overall, comparing, you know, there are slight differences. I just did my younger self at 25 or 30 compared to my current age, which is late 50s. I'll be 58 this year. So I love having both the bags. They're really, really cute. How awesome to get 2 of the highlighters from Ofra Cosmetics. The Tarte base, you know, the primer, the base tape. That's also nice. I already have the big palette, but sometimes, you know, just a single shade is nice. So I'm not angry at the lip product from the Balm because that was actually a very nice color, and you can still see that on my hand here, and it still looks like it has a, you know, a shine to it, a sheen. So that's pretty nice. And the Marc Anthony, you know, curl booster I'm happy with. So overall, the differences in the boxes, the bags are slight, but there's still some differences. So I am happy with both bags. And that is my video for today. And it is from Ipsy. And this is the April 2019 bag. So please leave me a comment and a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. It really does help the channel for growth. I'm still trying to get to the 500 subscriber mark. And thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.